Reverse sneezing is a fairly common respiratory phenomenon observed in dogs, but it is rarely seen in cats. Its exact cause is due to an irritation to the top part of the nasal cavity. Most commonly, this is nothing significant. Look at what dogs do. Sniff around at everything. In this process, they may sniff dust up into their nose. Reverse sneezing is the dog's attempt to suck air up into the nose. It sounds like rapid and repeated forced inhalation through the nose, accompanied by snorting or gagging sounds. During a reverse sneeze, the dog will make rapid and long inhalations, stand still, and extend its head and neck. A loud snorting sound is produced. Though it may sound distressing to the animal, it is not known to be harmful. Most dogs are completely normal before and after episodes. In addition, some dogs will have repeat episodes of reverse sneezing throughout their lives. Reverse sneezing can also occur while the dog is asleep or immediately following a long nap. Other dogs may experience it following play, exercise, or meals. However, episodes are typically random. While most dogs do not require medication, medication may help if the problem is serious or chronic. If, however, there is a nasal discharge present with a reverse sneeze, this may indicate a nasal foreign body, a bad tooth, nasal tumor, or nasal infection.